Hi, I'm Mallory Grimsey. I'm a mental health therapist, and today I'm going to be guiding you through a quick and easy grounding exercise for when you feel so emotionally overwhelmed or out of control that you just need relief fast. You need to feel back in your body in this moment in the present room. So, the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we're sitting comfortably, and it helps to sit back with your back flat against the surface. So, this could be a chair, a pillow, a wall, the floor, whatever works for you. And you just want to breathe naturally. Don't change your breathing, just breathe however you need to. It can also help to decrease anxiety if you slowly turn and look over one shoulder and then the next, if you are able to do that. So go ahead and do that now. And then go ahead and get comfortable, sit back, and follow along. Take a moment and acknowledge and notice 5 things that you see right here, right now. You can even say these out loud. I can see my watch, I can see my hand, I can see my hair tie, I can see my legs, I can see the chair. Next, notice and acknowledge 4 things that you can physically touch or feel. Again, if you're able to interact and engage with those items, you can do so now. If that is not comfortable or reasonable at this time, you can either silently in your head or out loud say the things that you are able to notice that are touchable. Now, notice and acknowledge 3 things that you can hear. These could be things that you're actively hearing right now, the sounds in the room or in the area that you're at, or they could be things that you know that you can hear in other situations. I can hear the sound of my voice on this video. I can hear the water cooler humming, and I can hear somebody walking by outside. Can you hear them? Next, notice 2 things that you can smell. Again, if they are nearby and you can interact with them, go for that. If not, just silently or out loud to yourself, name the things that are smellable. And now name and acknowledge 1 thing that you can taste. Again, if you were able to engage with that, go for it. If not, you can just silently remember that or say it out loud for yourself. At this time, you should feel a little more grounded and connected to yourself, in your body, in this present moment in the room. If you are not, please go ahead and repeat this exercise, or don't limit yourself to a certain number. Go ahead and name all the things that you can see, all the things that you can touch or feel, all the things that you can hear, that you can taste, that you can smell. Don't limit yourself until you feel back in control or in control enough of yourself and your circumstances. I really hope that this helped, and if you'd like more mindfulness practices, you can check them out on the screen now. Thanks for watching.